again today. My breakfast is oatmeal, the high protein soy milk, a little bit of peanut butter, some walnuts, Greek yogurt, and frozen blueberries, and chia seeds, black coffee, bingsu watching me.
And I did a 22-minute, like very low-key climb. You guys saw it. It was nothing crazy. I don't even know if I broke a sweat. I just want.
Bingsu has been the egg yolk king these days. Bingsu, why are you so cute? The gremlin in my bathroom situation is getting worse. Mabel! Are you comfortable, 편해? Why are you so cute? I can't find Bingsu anywhere. Bing Bing, really? Ah! Oh my god. What are you doing there? I didn't see you. Bye bye, Bing Bing. Have a good day. My outfit today. My boyfriend doesn't like when I wear a t-shirt with a skirt, but I don't care. I like it. It's comfortable. Bye bye, Bing Bing. Oh, I want to stay home all day. Bye bye. The elevator came and it had a sign saying do not use the elevator when it opens, so stairs time. Look, it's me. I'm in the elevator. Yeah. Look at this little guy. Good morning. Lunchtime. I added a little more rice this morning because I get hungry more. And the chicken sauce. Hello. Sweet potatoes. I washed them and scrubbed them, and now I'm cooking them. It's my first time, so we'll see how they turn out. I just craved sweet potatoes suddenly. My dinner today, we got kimchi with sweet potato and 2 eggs. He's taking over my table. Bing bing. The babies are eating. 메이플 빙수 잘 먹었어? I still can't have my protein shake. 슬퍼요. 어떡해요? I'm hungry. But I need to take the creatine. One teaspoon. They're so cute. They're sitting in the same direction. Let me see. It's like yin and yang. My hair is getting crazy. I haven't washed it since Saturday morning because I got it re-dyed, touched up. So I'm trying to go as long as I can without washing it. But I think I have to wash it tomorrow because my hair is really thin. So it gets really greasy and out of control. It's gross. It feels nasty. Ugh. Ew.
Get it, Maple? You need to eat every last bit. Ooh.
My kitchen is too small to get the right angle, and I only have my phone, so I can't get the picture that I want. I can't get it. That's okay. It's coffee time. Today, iced coffee. I got too hot yesterday, so I should have iced coffee. So I was feeling really terrible for almost a month. I got sick a month ago. It was in Korea you often get a cold in the summer because it's so humid in the day, and then you go inside and they put the AC on really strong in Korea. I don't like it. I always get sick every summer because of it. And so I got sick for like 3-4 weeks. And then after that, I felt so tired every day. And it wasn't normal tired. It was like severe fatigue tired. Like, you know when you feel different tired? That's how I felt. And I had this pressure headache in my forehead all day. And I was bloated. And I couldn't sleep well. I couldn't fall asleep and I couldn't stay asleep well. So I just felt horrible. So I went to the doctor to get a blood test. And in Korea, they do the IV bag vitamin shots. So I also thought I would get a vitamin shot because I did that last year for summer when I had insomnia. And it worked really well. So I thought I'd get that. But the doctor also, after hearing my symptoms, she said that I should take a blood test for fatigue stuff because it's been 2 years, I think. I haven't had a blood test for 2 years. So I did that, and I was thinking, because my mom also has thyroid, I was thinking, oh, maybe it's my time for thyroid because a lot of the symptoms matched up. And then I went back on after a few days to get the results, and it's my liver levels are too high. Which is better in a way because it's only a temporary thing. But the doctor asked me, do you drink a lot of alcohol? I don't. I drink once a week. And I'm a really lightweight. So I don't think that's the issue. And then protein, I'm not eating excessive protein, just 90 to 100 grams usually. But anyway, I'm cutting out the protein shake because that's the only processed protein that I eat just for the month. And then probably it's just I've been stressing myself out too much. So I have to try and chill. It's very difficult for me. I'm not that kind of person, so. Coffee. Little more. I don't know where Bingsu went, so I'm gonna find him. But do you see? There's the glamour.
Maple!
I think she wants the window.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Oh, she likes. There's a fly net, don't worry.
Bing Bing! I found you, Bing Bing. Handsome boy.
I think Maple just drank some of my coffee. Usually she doesn't touch it, so I just left it on the table. She only drinks my water. But then I look over and her head's in it, and I think she drank some coffee. Or maybe she was just licking the ice cubes, hopefully. Oh, so I said no protein powder, but I'm just putting a little bit in my oatmeal for flavor. got my oatmeal, same as the last 2 days. Iced coffee today, and a maple. Maple, don't eat my food. It's mine. Bingsu used to be the one always trying to get my food, but now he's a mature man, and I've got Maple now attacking all my food. Go away. Go. Go. Go play. Getting this TV was a bad idea because now I just watch TV all the time, which I didn't think I would do. But it's so big. 75 inches. It's lovely. My sister's very jealous. Maple, go away.
Dun 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 dun. Hi. Do you also have a gremlin in your bathroom every day? Oh, so cute, little Maple.
Also, guys, I forgot how much I actually love video editing. In high school, when I was in high school, every summer vacation, all day, every day, I would actually be making anime music videos. But look, Honey07, it's me. I made music videos like this. I love it. I miss it. I was so proud of all of my effects. I don't watch enough anime now. Good times, good times. Now I'm just gonna try editing my weird vlog thingies. This was supposed to be my diet vlog, but it's just turning into my cat vlog. Look at this, gremlin. Maple, why are you always in the bathroom? I mean, you're very cute, but I also have to pee. Are you okay if I pee? Yeah? Time to check. Ding ding. Oh, there he is. I forgot to film everything. Oh well. It's good to be home. Like this. It's cool, right?
It's weird.
I know. I don't have any other option though. We're going to Daiso. He wants a big bucket so that he can soak his stinky feet in. Like one of these. 춘식이! It's too small though.
Good.
네, 좋아.
And we can soak our shoes too.
맞아. 나 했잖아. Go work in the rice field. Or are you a samurai? Is this a light up dinosaur? I am peak relaxation.
시행되는 그냥 여의도에 다 있어. 너는 SBS, MBC, KBS가 다 열려 있어. 그러니까 뭐 1층에 가면 되게 조그맣었어요. 이거
빙빙.
진짜 커졌거든요. 그래서 아마 괜찮을 것 같아요.
Sleep
그럼
time.
이렇게 해서 소주 먹는 거야.